Push the 2, okay, because we always do the big one first. So you're going to push the 2 button on your calculator. And then you're going to look for this button. It should be in the 4th row, and it looks like x to the y. Okay, and then you push the 4, because your y is 4. Okay, and I'll come around and help you. You should get 16.
Yeah.
See that x to the y, and then you put the 4. Did you get it? Did you get it? You?
I'm choking on plastic.
Did you figure it out on yours? Calculator on here? Okay, open that up. Did you figure it out?
Yeah, I did.
She gets right. Been singing all class. I just want to hear him some more.
Do you think I could teach it?
Download one a little bit.
You're a girl's kid.
Use. Are you being honest? Did you figure it out already?
Yes.
Did you figure it out? Okay. So for those of you guys at home, I'm gonna show you two real quick. Gotta stop this dang video. Okay, so you need to turn your calculator sideways, and you're gonna push the big number. So in this case, it's a 2, and then we're looking at this X to Y button. And then you push the 4, and you can hit equals. Okay, so what did you guys get for that one? 16. Okay, so it's really going to be 1 over 16 x to the 8. Okay, so 15. You need to put this to each piece. So I'm going to have 2 to the negative 2. I don't know why I wrote equals. Okay, n to the 4 times negative 2. Okay, so I got 2 to the negative 2, n to the negative 8. Okay, our negatives need to go on the bottom. So I got 2 to the 2, n to the 8th, and I'm going to have a 1 on top. Yep, and that 2 squared is going to be a 4, n to the 8th. I know. Okay, so 17, we're going to distribute this all the way through. Okay, now, I don't care how many steps you write. If I feel like you're not writing enough steps or you're getting lost in your steps, I will tell you to write more steps. So if you can like do some of the math in your head and skip some of those steps, and some of you know who you are, you're more than welcome to, okay? For those of you guys that I have not had, I will straight up tell you to your face, like, you need to stop skipping steps, okay? So, that's up to you. But, so over here, we're going to have 4 to the 3rd, v, 2 times 3, okay, and this is where some of you guys could straight up skip some stuff, okay, is 6, so I'm going to have 4 to the 3rd, x to the 6th.
I thought it was B.
Oh, shoot, yeah, it is b. V, okay, and then what is 4 to the 3rd? Do it on your calculators. Don't say it out loud, give everybody a second. 4 to the 3rd.
Shh. She said 9.
Okay, what'd you guys get?
64.
64. So I got 64 v to the 6th. Okay, 19. Okay, this 4 needs to go to every piece. Okay, so I have 2 to the 4th, x to the 4th times 4, y to the negative 4 times 4. Okay, so I got 2 to the 4th, x to the 4 times 4,
16.
16, y to the negative 4 times 4, negative 16. Okay, can we do negative exponents?
No.
No, so we need to rearrange some stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna have 2 to the 4 can go on top, x to the 16 can go on top, y to the 16 goes on bottom. Are we finished?
No.
Why not?
You're gonna distribute to put to the 4th power.
Yeah, so we need to figure out what is 2 to the 4th power. Okay, so do it on your calculator, see what you get.
So,
What do you get?
16.
16 x to the 16, y to the 16. Okay, 21. Okay, we need to distribute this, so it's really going to be x to the negative 2 times negative 1. What's negative 2 times negative 1?
2.
Yeah, it's going to be a positive 2. X to the 2. Are we finished?
Yes.
Yeah, we don't need to do anything else. Oh, start on one of those. That's fine, just start on one. I put over.
Hey, I graded them the way you graded them.
I know. No, I give you guys credit if you wrote just X. I know what you mean if you said X or 1X. I give you credit. Okay, 23. We got to distribute this to each piece. So I got X to the 0 times negative 3, Y to the 4 times negative 3. Okay, 0 times negative 3 is 0. Y to the negative 12.
Negative 12.
What is X to the 0?
1.
Okay. So it's really going to be 1y to the negative 12. Where do negatives go? The bottom. Okay, I'm going to scroll up here, but so I really am going to have y to the 12 on the bottom. Where's that 1 go? Yeah, top. Big ones always stay on top. Okay, last one, 25. Okay, we're going to distribute that to each piece. So I got 3 squared y to the negative 4 times 2. Okay, so it's going to be 3 squared y to the negative 8. Okay, so the 3 squared is going to stay on top, and then the y to the 8 is going to go on bottom. What is 3 squared? 9. You guys are all over the place. Or 27, 6, 9.
We said 3 squared.
It is. Okay, so you guys have 13 problems to do. Please remember on the front ones, Reese, let me see your paper. On 2 through 8, okay, 2 through 8, you do not distribute that exponent through. You're just multiplying the little numbers together. The big number should always be the same. So if you look at 2, it should be 2 to the negative 3 power.
That's the answer.
No, because then you need to move that negative.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? And that's just 2 through 8.